Learning how to seal coat is actually really easy. If you can push a lawnmower, paint a wall, or use a pressure washer, you can definitely seal coat like a pro. First, clean off the surface from all dirt and debris. Fill all the cracks with a hot pour rubberized crack filler using a melter applicator machine. Once that's done, you'll go ahead and use a seal coat spray system that's very easy to use. You can use an edging tool to do all the trim work as you're seal coating. Make sure to do all the edges all the way around, and then go ahead and seal coat the main body of the parking lot or driveway surface. You'll spray sealer evenly across the surface. It's always recommended to overlap the fan pattern that you've originally applied halfway on top of it, so you're essentially applying 2 thin coats in one. Once you've seal coated the whole surface, simply barricade the whole job site. Keep cars off and people from walking on it for around 12 hours, and you'll be good to go.